And did they not come out just a few months later and say that grape juice does the same thing? That's why on Welch's grape bottle you see heart healthy. Have you seen that? Heart healthy, that's why it says that. That's why it says that. So the Chardonnay grape, which we have again in soul, helping the heart, helping everything. You can't go wrong with this stuff. D-ribose, well, anybody know what DNA is? Do you know what that's called? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Wow. Ribose. Look at that. Even helping your DNA. Giving the DNA what it needs. Core, I'm not going to spend time on core. You just had 2 great lectures on core. They told you all about the different things in core and what it does. Suffice it to say, it detoxifies, of course. It helps the liver, it helps the kidney. I mean, it has the black cumin again. So you have the anti-inflammatory, you have the other things that black cumin does. But core and soul on a daily basis will lead to health in the cell, health in the tissue, health in the organs, and health in the body. Seeds are powerful, we know this, source of life. We know also that everything, all nutrition comes from the seed. And so what do you need to know? This is what you need to know. What can I do? What can I do to support healthy cellular nutrition? What can I do? It's simple. Give rain to the world. Give rain to the world. Give seeds to the world and make it rain.
How's that so far?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. I don't have anything that important to say, so don't sit down. But it is important. Okay, number 1, who's hungry? I'm hungry, okay? We're gonna have about 2 hours break for lunch. You gotta be here by 2. We're gonna start with or without you. We don't want to start without you. But no, just be back by 1:50. My wife always says, if you're on time, you're late. And I haven't learned that yet, but I'm gonna get to that point. So, do the best to get here by 1:50. New product will be announced. Okay, so this side is excited about that. How about you guys? All right, that's what I like. So please be back. Also, do you like my shirt? Okay, well, you can't have it, but you can buy your own. Right across the way, we have the rain store. Go get your rain gear, get branded up, and then we'll see you guys in... Oh my gosh, we'll see you guys in...